The Plantronics Work From Home Kit. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. More and more people are working from home, and it's essential to have a good camera and headset to use during meetings. In this video, we'll take a look at the Voyager 5200 UC headset and the Eagle Eye Mini camera. This is the Plantronics Work From Home Kit. I will go over specs, features, provide microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB adapter for the camera, and a micro USB cable for the headset case, ear tips, and various mounting hardware for the camera. I'll start off by going over some of the key features of the camera. 1080p at 30 frames per second resolution, 24-bit true color, f2 aperture, 4 megapixel sensor, automatic exposure and white balance. It's plug-and-play setup, integrated privacy shutter, multiple screen modes, LED status, 280 megabits max transmit bitrate, works with various polyphones as listed. There's various mounting options from the top of the monitor, bottom, wall mount, or phone mount. The mount is flexible and it's easy to adjust. It has a rubber feel to it. And on the bottom, it has a tripod mount. The camera is small and has a sleek look. The bottom has a USB adapter for the power cable. And you can see the integrated shutter for privacy. Just twist to open and close. The top portion is also adjustable so you can move it to your desired angle. Now let's look at the Voyager 5200 UC headset. This features 7 hours of talk time and an additional 14 hours with the charging case. It takes 1.5 hours for a full charge. Standby time of 9 days. Bluetooth 5.0, noise cancellation and sound leveling, 13.6mm drivers, call and playback controls, voice alerts for talk time remaining, mute, and connection. It has app integration, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android compatible, and it uses Bluetooth and NFC pairing. If you want to use this with your mobile device, you can download the Plantronics Hub app. This will allow you to do updates and also toggle some of the settings. The headset charging case is slim and portable. It has a matte finish all around. On the front of the case, you'll find the charge case button, headset LED, case LED, and charging contacts. On the right side is the micro USB port for charging. Opening the lid, you'll find the headset firmly secured. It's easy to grip and remove from the case. You also have the Bluetooth USB adapter and charging contacts. The adapter is easy to remove and store in the case, and this is how it looks outside the case. The headset is light and flexible, and you can rotate the earpiece left or right to accommodate the ear you decide to use. The microphone boom is also adjustable. The microphone has the following: microphone boom, mute and Alexa button, volume controls, call, pairing, voice assist, LED, and power button. On the bottom, you have the charging contacts and a micro USB port if you want to connect it directly to a computer to charge. Okay, now you are hearing the audio of the Voyager 5200. I've made several calls with it and everyone can't believe how loud and clear it is. I also tested it with video and there's no noticeable latency. Now I'm going to test it in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Plantronics Voyager 5200. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Here are my thoughts on the Plantronics Work From Home Kit. I'll start off with the Eagle Eye Mini video camera. It was easy to set up and the video quality is good. I like the mounting option and the built-in privacy shutter. Now the Voyager 5200 headset. I found it to be very comfortable, lightweight, and you can definitely wear it for extended periods of time. I didn't feel any pressure in my ear canals. The build quality of the camera and headset is solid. They both feel durable. The button controls are responsive on the headset, and battery life is great, coming in at 7 hours, and it gives you 14 additional with the case. You can pair 2 devices to it as well. As mentioned in my microphone test, I was very impressed with the overall sound. It came in loud and clear. It was able to reduce a big amount of the surrounding noises as well. Video calls and normal phone calls was not an issue. Overall, I feel this is a great kit if you're looking for a headset and camera. Plantronics markets a lot of headsets and are used throughout the enterprise environment. Having this option for home use is definitely an excellent choice. So that is my review of the Plantronics Work From Home Kit. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.